Hello friends, myself AJAY Singh. Uh, this is an announcement for the new batch. From 15th September, we are beginning a new batch for GS Geography. Uh, Topics are mentioned on the website. We will cover those topics exhaustively 15th September 2025. It is for GS Geography. It will cover prelims, mains, GS1 and large section from GS3 and some topics from GS2 also. So the duration of the course is 50 days. In 50 days, we will not only cover those topics are mentioned on the website. What all topics will be covered in this GS Geography course. Exhaustive list of topics is there. In addition to the discussion of those topics, we will also discuss previous 10 years questions of prelims as well as mains. GS prelims, GS Geography prelims as well as mains. So after discussion of certain topics like geomorphology, we'll discuss the questions that have been asked in previous years in prelims as well as mains. So it will give you exhaustive coverage, and number of topics are there which are in GS3 and some topics are in GS2 also. They will also be covered exhaustively. You can visit the website and see the list of topics that we'll be covering. And after covering certain topics, we'll discuss what all questions have been asked in the previous years in prelims as well as mains. And along with that, we are also beginning geography optional batch from 15th September. Same will be done in geography optional batch. The fee has been reduced in geography optional. Now the live online fee is 25,000, and we will cover the exhaustive topics, complete syllabus, and after completion of every unit like geomorphology, climatology, we'll also discuss the previous year's questions that have been asked in geography. So, and test series will be there. You will get the support of test support, and there will be a test after every topic. So those who are interested in joining a GS Geography course or Geography optional course, kindly inform me on my WhatsApp number that is given on the website. Thank you.